नमस्कार नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है राजीव कुमार विजय जैन आर के बी और मैं हूं उस वक्त एडवोकेट प्रदीप नामियार जी के साथ। प्रदीप जी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार।
और प्रदीप जी और मैं कहाँ हैं? नेशन नाउ पर। नेशन नाउ हमेशा हमेशा आपके साथ। आप सब लोगों को जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम,
भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद,
जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
To all our viewers in China, ni hao. To all our viewers in Japan, konnichiwa. Pradeep ji.
Hamaरे आपको जानबूझ to our viewers in East Africa, South Africa, the continent of Africa, wherever they speak Swahili.
And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so.
When you click to that icon, subscribe, you subscribe to the fastest growing channel of the nation, Nation Now. Nation Now, the fastest growing channel of the nation.
Well, we will talk about the European Union deal, mother of all deals, as it is called, as we've been saying now for the last 5-6 days. But all the same, but the point is, Pradeep ji, the breaking news today was that there was a bank strike.
Yes, there was.
There was a bank strike, all India bank strike.
Bilkul.
Because as far as the bank employees are concerned, they say, hey, listen, everybody in the financial sector gets a 5-day week.
Bilkul, sir.
Why do we have to get a 6-day week?
Yes.
So let's, and they were promised it. All I'm saying is, they were promised a 5-day week.
Exactly. The IBA also negotiated a 5-day week with the finance ministry, I think, and that, except that, everything was implemented by the finance ministry.
That's right.
That's what we say. But why not a 5-day week? All, as you said, all across financial institutions enjoy a 5-day week.
And the point is banking efficiency and competence going up because you're working for 6 days in a week, in 2 weeks? I mean, one would love to know. Let's go straight across to Wilbur Anton Saab. Wilbur Anton Saab, namaskar.
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते।
Namaste, good evening. कैसे हैं सर आप?
Very fine sir, how about you?
Absolutely fine, I'm always fine. सर आप ये बताएं कि विल्बर एंटन साहब, आप जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया स्टाफ यूनियन मुंबई के। सर आप ये बताएं कि भाई सरकार ने एक बार अगर कुछ वादा कर दिया है तो अभी पूरा क्यों नहीं कर रहे? मतलब व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन? आप बताएं ना सर प्लीज।
यस सर। सर अपेरेंटली रीजन सर हमें भी समझ में नहीं आ रही है, इसलिए अल्टीमेटली वी हैड टू टेक दिस स्टेप ऑफ गोइंग ऑन स्ट्राइक। एंड दिस इशू सर, ये नई इशू नहीं है। UAB is pursuing this issue with IBA from the last 10 years. 2015 में सेकंड एंड फोर्थ सैटरडे अग्री किया था गवर्नमेंट में ऑन द पायलट बेसिस कि अगर ये सब ठीक ठाक रहा तो आगे जाके हम 5-day भी इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे। लेकिन डिस्पाइट आर कंसिस्टेंट परसुएंस विद द IBA, नाउ दे आर ओनली प्लेइंग डिले टैक्टिक्स एंड दे आर टेलिंग अस दैट इट इज अंडर एक्टिव कंसिडरेशन, बट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी कॉन्क्रीट आउटकम।
जी, तो अभी क्या प्लान है सर? आज तो एक नेशन वाइड स्ट्राइक रही। सो व्हाट इज द प्लान नाउ? Has the government contacted you? Do you plan to intensify your stir or your agitation at some later point of time? What do you plan to do?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Actually, we are guided by our umbrella organization, that is UFBU, United Forum of Banks Union. And very soon they will be having a meeting with IBA and CLC, the Chief Labour Commission, in the next month. And as per the instructions, sir, we will have to take a step forward. But definitely, the agitation will be intensified. And this time we had only a 1-day strike. Maybe in the future there will be 2-day, 5-day, or indefinite strike.
You know what, Mr. Wilbur Anton, when they said that they're going to go a 5-day week earlier, which was promised to you, what was the bargain? In return, what were you going to give to the people and to the government? What was the deal?
Yeah. So basically, today India is 100% digitalized. Maximum transactions, have been done, converted into online digital banking. And 5-day banking today is not a luxury, but it's a necessity. And instead of the 5-day banking, we have suggested we have agreed to increase our working hours by 40 minutes daily. When second and fourth Saturdays were implemented, at that time the remaining Saturdays, which were half days, was converted into full days. And now also we have agreed for working additional 40 minutes a day.
So कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि your presence in the bank on a Saturday, is it really helping banking competence and efficiency? Since, as you said, most of the transactions are digital, where physical presence of employees is really not required on so many days. बताएं सर।
Yes, sir. Yeah.
बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए
Yes,
विल्बर
sir, you're absolutely right on this. That because everything, most of the transactions have been converted to online, physical presence of the blank employees are not required, and we are really unable to understand how it's going to affect the productivity. Because we believe that a rested banker can give more productivity and can deliver more profit to the bank, and also help in nation building.
Wilbur Anton साहब बात ये है कि we really espouse your cause that you need to have a 5-day where banking is concerned because banking itself is a very taxing kind of things. आप अगर खुले हैं तो लाइन कतार के कतार वहां पर हर बैंक में दिखता है and we see the employees are totally under pressure. But at the same time, there's increased reaction from the customer that you also need to improve your efficiency. Are we working on that also, Wilbur Anton sir?
Yes, sir. See, sir, there is always a scope for improvement. We are not saying that we are one of the best, but definitely we are trying to improvise each and every day. And we have our ATMs, our CDMs, and which are working around the clock, and we ensure that they don't run out of cash. So even in these 3 days, sir, we are the employees of the bank first. So it is we have a duty towards the customers as well. So we have taken utmost precaution that in these 3 days the cashes have not run out from the ATMs or CDMs, and if there is any inconvenience, definitely online banking is always there to provide solution for that.
लेकिन विल्बर अंतोन साहब कस्टमर्स जो हैं बैंक के वो ये कंप्लेन करते हैं स्पेशली पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक के और सबका एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है दैट समटाइम्स नॉट इन ऑल अभी तो काफ़ी इंप्रूवमेंट हुई है एम्प्लॉयज आर रूड दे डोंट डायरेक्ट यू प्रॉपरली दे डोंट अटेंड टू यू आपस में बात करते रहते हैं लोगों से बात नहीं करते आई माई सेल्फ फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वोंट नेम द बैंक्स बट देयर पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स टुडे दे वर नॉट वर्किंग सामने देयर वाज अ लाइन ऑफ ओल्ड पीपल स्टैंडिंग देयर और उनसे कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है तो सर आप जो हैं मैं चाहूंगा हम लोग आपके साथ हैं मैं चाहूंगा कि आप अपने एम्प्लॉइज को ये भी बोलें कि भैया जरा अपने बिहेवियर को भी इंप्रूव करिए ना एंटोन साहब
Definitely, sir. I agree with you on this point. There is always scope for improvement with regards to customer service. And for that, even our banking and even our trade union, we have regular training sessions with the employees, guiding them how to behave with customers, how to interact with them, and how to provide better and efficient customer service.
And in some, एक चीज है कि one thing is a compulsory off for everybody on Saturday, Sundays. That is going on, but you being an essential service actually, though हम digitalize 100% digitalization में गए हैं, you being there is also chance that you divide your employees in such a way that everybody gets two days off a week. At the same time, essential service like airlines they work 24/7, 365 days. The employees get 2 days off also or 3 days off, whatever it is. But at the same time, they are working all the days. ना ऐसे कोई सॉल्यूशन सरकार की तरफ से आया है क्या आपके पास?
नहीं सर, सरकार की तरफ से ऐसे कोई सॉल्यूशन आया नहीं कि इसके बदले में हम आपको और कोई सुविधा या और कोई बेनिफिट या और कोई आपको ऑप्शन दे. फिलहाल सर हम तो वी आर हार्पिंग एंड स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन 5-day banking and that is our demand for now, sir, because already second and fourth Saturday has been implemented. From the past 10 years we are pursuing on this issue and the demand will stay the same. It is 5-day banking. We don't hope to compromise on this and we are expecting that in the near future if our agitation moves are intensified, hopefully the government may succumb to this and we may get what we
I hope you don't have to. I really and truly hope you don't have to intensify your agitation. I hope the government takes a very positive view कि भाई बाकी सबके लिए 5-day week है तो यार बैंक एम्प्लॉइज के लिए क्यों नहीं है, उनके लिए भी 5-day week कर दीजिए. That's it. और क्या कर सकते हैं. और आपने कहा ही है कि भाई 10 बजे से 5 की जगह पर हम लोग 6 बजे तक काम करेंगे तो उसमें क्या
definitely.
So that's I think that is a fair enough thing. Anton Saab, all the very best to you. We are all with you. I hope you meet your customers' expectations of politeness, courtesy, and being responsive. And at the same time, the government hears you. They promised you after all. आप जो वादा किया वो तो निभाना पड़ेगा. कहाँ जाएंगे?
Yes, sir.
They shouldn't have promised. Anyway, thank you very much, Anton Saab. Great pleasure.
Thank you for having me, sir. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Well, but the fact remains, if the government doesn't listen, as he said, the bank employees might go on an indefinite strike. तो मतलब जो हमारे बड़े बड़े पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स हैं, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हो गया, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हो गया, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक हो गया, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा हो गया, सर ये तो मतलब all the businesses, everything is going to be affected. That's going to be terrible. I mean, it's going to be absolutely awful.